Hi, my name's Sean from Clearstone Solutions. Today we're going to talk about, is it worthwhile cleaning your roof? Now, it depends who you speak to. If you speak to a roofing company, they will probably give a different answer to what we're going to give today. In my opinion, as a company owner who's been cleaning roofs for many, many years now, if it's done correctly, it's worthwhile having. There's a lot of issues that we always get faced with, and customers who have issues of moss falling on floors, blocked gutters, the aesthetics of it don't look great. People are trying to sell their houses and they want to create that right first impression. For all of those reasons, I would absolutely say yes, it's definitely worthwhile cleaning your roof, as long as it's done correctly. If it's done incorrectly, damage can occur and issues can happen to the longevity of how the roof and how it lasts. If it's done correctly, like the methods that we've adopted over the years, then yes, absolutely, your life of your roof will stay cleaner for longer and we can prevent the moss coming back. Meaning that you will only go through the restoration stage of your roof cleaning once, and then we can then keep maintaining it to keep the moss at bay and stop the organic growth, the Glea capsomagma, from returning. So if you're looking at it from that point of view, as we've just discussed, then yes, it's definitely worthwhile cleaning your roof. If you'd like to find out more about your cleaning your roof and if it's worthwhile, we would welcome you on to talk to you. So please hit the link below and we will look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Take care.